All right, a couple of quick tips, tricks, cues for your calf raises. So obviously you want some sort of elevation and just something to hold on to just for support or balance. Now, obviously you don't want your heels to be hitting the ground each and every rep. Come down as much as you can so you get a bit of stretch in your calves and then pushing all the way up onto your toes. All right, as much range as possible with those calf raises. Now, to make this harder, obviously you're gonna add some dumbbells. You can hold some dumbbells by your side as you do the calf raises. A little bit harder to balance though. You can put a barbell on your back and go from rack it out from a rig and do your calf raises that way. But you still want some sort of elevation for your calves so you can get as much range as possible. Another way you can make this harder without adding weight is to remove your shoes, okay? Removing your shoes just is going to make sure that you're activating all the muscles through your foot up into your calf, and it does make it a little bit harder. So try it without shoes before you start loading up the exercise.